2012 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 Top Safety Pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, leather, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, front reading lamps. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.